How to get your Telegram profile link if you want to share your profile to someone, or if you want to simply promote your profile, then you simply have to copy the link from your Telegram profile. And this is what we're gonna do in this video. For this, I will open Telegram in my application manager of my device here in the laptop. So what you have to do is simply just get into the Telegram app in front of you, and here you have to click on your profile on the left, click on the setting option. In setting, here you will see a lot of option, but under my name you will see your Telegram account link. You simply have to copy this, right, and copy the link to your clipboard. Then you can paste this link anywhere you want it, and you can share it also. So this is simply about how you can do it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to watch more updates like this.